What's going on, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon. Thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm going to be working on my NSX carbon fiber hood that I have so much scratch on it and a little bit of fading. So what I'm going to do, cut it short, is removing all the surface scratch because they're kind of deep. But if it doesn't work, so what we're going to do is respray the whole hood and maybe we'll do a matte finish. But anyway, let's start it, and I'm going to be using a wet sanding first with a P600, so hopefully it'll cut those deep scratches and we'll buff it out and remove all these nasty scratches. And let's start off with this. Things that I'm going to be using is going to be my I think I'm going to use my big polisher, this kind of material, the finisher, and the little, I don't know what you call this, but this one over here. And then this guy over here for little parts or crevices, and some sanding paper, P1200 and P600. That's what I'm going to be using. What else? Bucket of water, of course, and my ultra cut compound, so that we have to cut some clear coat. And then this one is also ultra cut compound from Maguire. I put it in a smaller bottle because the other one is it cracked. It's the same one as this, but the cutting strength is it's about like 3 or 4, I think. And then I think I'm gonna glaze it later on. I don't have any glazer right now. The question is it possible just to restore or, you know, take out all these surface scratches on your carbon fiber products? So let's find out. So hopefully it works. If it doesn't, then time to re-clear them. I kind of like this matte finish look. Maybe I should just keep it like this. It looks like a real dry carbon. And the scratches kind of, it's getting there. It's actually getting better. All right, everyone. So after polishing and cutting to a 1200 grit for the last step, this is what I came up with. There's still some light scratches from my, I guess, from my wet sanding, but we're gonna get rid of that. So at least I got a lot of the scratches done or out. It's a little bit shinier to some degree. As you can see the reflection of that, because earlier it was really dull. I guess we're just gonna continue polishing it, sanding it until I get it to the right shine. Good job, son.
Yeah, I do it like this.
Sure, one direction, up and down, make an X sign. So after sanding, wet sanding it, you know, make sure direction goes up and down, kind of like mark an X. Always wet it, always wash it. That way you don't have any debris like a rock or solid matter that will scratch it further in even deeper. We'll see if I can get rid of this deeper too as well. So, you know, let's see and cut it and buff it real quick. So this is the first pass. As you can see, it's and then as it goes right here, it gets dull. You see the sun disappears, and then as you come back here, it's nice and shiny. So it seems to be working. All right, so this is my second 1600 grit sanding. It's a little bit matte looking. I kind of like this matte. Wonder if I can get it painted satin. So a lot of the scratches are showing like this because of the powder. But anyway, I got it really close, and let's see how it looks like over here. Maybe I'll have it painted satin. So let's try it out and let's clean up, polish, and let's see how it looks like. Ready to polish again. All right, everyone. Oh my God. I mean, it took me how many hours? It's all done. This is where I should cue the music. When you look at that, it's almost like a mirror finish. I'm quite happy with it. With a lot of work, but it was done. I don't have to re-clear it or re-spray it. Little scratches showing, but it's not noticeable as much. They're just so deep, I don't want to remove all clear coat. Anyway guys, until next time, I'm gonna put this back on later on when I take out my supercharger, my NSX. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And until next time, keep wrenching. God bless everyone. Be safe out there. Bye. And I also wanted to add those deep scratches that I could not, I don't want to sand anymore, just in case. I have like a leftover, something like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of these scratch remover. As you can see, I painted some part already. And just paint inside of that groove, and then it will repair, it helps repair the, you know, the hole or the scratch because it's so deep. There you go. So oh, it's super shiny. That's an easy way to also hide or mask the deeper scratch, because it's has a certain angle to it where you can see the white mark. Anyway guys, I just wanted to add that.